This review is of Kroger's Home Chef Mango Barbecue Chicken Oven Kit. And there's no chopping needed. It'll be ready in 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. I'm going to turn on the oven while I'm talking to you. Well, 425. Sorry about that. Alright. Now, is there anything special? It's a $17 meal. They give you 4 manos, black beans. So yeah, here. Okay, so we've got the 4 manos. Oh crap. Sorry about that, I spilled my water. Fresh cilantro. Mango chutney, not very much of it. Yeah, not very much. Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Daisy sour cream. Darn it. Crispy jalapenos. Bell peppers that have seen better days. Cheddar, I guess. And a piece of chicken. Not very much. And seasoned salt. So I'm going to cook this up. This is kind of like those meals you buy from, what is it? I don't even know the names. There are so many of them these days. It just comes out of your local grocery store instead. So, hold on while I cook it. Okay, so I've got the mango chicken and the bean and pepper mix all done. I did not use sour cream or cheese on my food because, of course, can't. So first I'm going to try the beans. And I have put some of the cilantro and crispy fried jalapenos on it. I like spicy. It's a very simple and simple, wholesome. Sorry, my cat's playing with me. He does fetch. So yeah, that's nice. So let's give a try of some of the chicken. I'm sorry. Something went down the wrong tube. But I got that fixed now. Okay, so the jalapenos are actually supposed to be for the chicken and not the not the beans, and the cilantro is supposed to be for the beans and not the chicken. So I've taken off the cilantro, which was overpowering everything else. I did taste, once you mix the mango chutney, which is sour, with the barbecue sauce, I got an idea in my head of what it's going to taste like. Because the barbecue sauce is sweet, the mango chutney is sour.
Obama.
I would say the chicken's cooked very nicely. Not overcooked, which I'm very happy about. because the temperature got a little bit higher than I wanted it to be, but it worked out. So ultimately, it's quite tasty. Really enjoy it. But is it mango barbecue sauce? No, it's barbecue mango sauce. The barbecue sauce is a bit too dominant for the small amount of chutney that they gave. But I'm going to say this. For $17, the amount of food you get, it's like going to a high-class restaurant. Yeah, sure, there's like 2/3 of a can of beans left over, but who's actually going to use those beans? I don't know, but it's way too expensive, quite honestly. And I don't know what their justification is for charging $17 for what is essentially a 1 to 2 person meal. Yeah, I mean, for a big eater like me or my kids, it's a single person meal. And if you're a big eater, you're going to find it's going to be enough for just you as well. If you're a lighter eater, you and somebody else can share it. But yeah, I just feel like it could be a little bit less ridiculously priced. But it's good. It's tasty. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.